Okay, click on the corner so that it's easier to move. And bring it up here. Now we just need to arrange this and we're almost done. So I think I want to put this one in the middle. And I think I want to make this one. Well, I kind of thought I would move it to the front, but I don't know now. I'm kind of liking it in the back, so. But I do want to make another just like it. So I'm going to duplicate the layer. Okay. And then I'm going to go back to edit again and flip this one horizontal so that we have one coming out on this other side as well. And then we are going to duplicate the layer again. And this time, I want to move the layer to the front. So we click on the layer tab again and go all the way to arrange and bring it to the front. So I'm going to just turn it a little bit and make it a little bigger to get it just like you want it. That's good. Okay. Now looking at it, I think I want to spread this one out a little more in the back. And bring that down and turn this one just a little. Okay. Maybe I think, oops, one more. So I'm going to duplicate the layer again and turn it and pull it down. There we go. Now this is looking kind of big to me compared with my kitty. Maybe he just needs to be out in front of it a little. And I'll make him a little bigger again. I had adjusted him smaller, but here we go, bigger again. I think that's better. Okay, I just want to get a plan for where I'm going to put my sentiment, and so I'm going to click on it down here. I'm not going to print it out this way because I might want to use the banner to cut that out or something, but I'm just trying to see how big I want it to be. And I actually think that once I trim it down a little, that this size will be good. So, yes. Now that I've checked that, I'm going to move it back out of the way. And again, if you like this scene, actually I think I'm going to duplicate this butterfly just in case I want to use it again as an embellishment on the card and maybe cut one out. So I'm also going to flip it in the other direction. So under the edit tab, back down here to transform and flip it horizontal. Okay. And then just in case I want to use another, I'm going to go back to layer, duplicate the layer. Okay. And maybe I'll flip this one back in the other direction. So back to the edit tab, transform, flip horizontal. And just one more to be on the safe side. But I'm gonna, sorry, I'm talking and distracted, so I passed it. I'm going to use the smaller one again that I already have up here. There we go. Yeah. And then just in case that I want to make 2 cards, or I unfortunately messed this one up on accident, I'm dragging out with the move tool across the whole image. And now that I've got it, I'm going to go back to the layer tab. Wait, something's wrong here. Let's try the copy. There we go. And paste. Very good. But I'm going to move it down because my vines are kind of up in that area there. Okay, now I have backup just in case I mess something up on this panel here, and I'm ready to print. Thanks for watching again. Bye.